I made this clip using just one sentence. Minutes later, I got a moving voiced anime video and I never left a single browser tab. The whole workflow you just saw happens inside PixAI, a full-feature AI creation platform built specifically for anime style. Today, I'll show you how to take one anime character from a text prompt all the way to a voiced, animated clip using PixAI's 3 core tools: image generation, image editing, and image to video. Same character, same identity, the whole way through. First, you'll need to log into PixAI using your email address or your Google account. To make it easy, I've included the PixAI link in the description below. Once you're logged in, we'll jump right in and start creating your AI-generated images. I'm starting with Tsubaki.2, PixAI's latest in-house anime model. It's built specifically for anime generation, so I'm expecting cleaner line work and a more true anime feel than a general-purpose model would give me. First, I'll flip on Prompt Helper so it structures my prompt for me. Then pick a style from the preset grid. There are over 35 one-click styles here, but I choose no style for this one. For quick drafts, I'd use light mode to iterate fast. For this one, I'm going standard, so it's a Cleaner Pass Pro is there for a hero shot, and Ultra mode is available if you're a PixAI member. Now, I'll write the prompt. A medium shot portrait of a beautiful young woman with long, flowing green hair cascading down to her back, featuring parted bangs, elegant wing-shaped hair ornaments, and a sparkling forehead jewel. Her gray eyes with matching colored eyelashes gazing softly at the viewer. She wears a sleeveless white dress with a detached collar and detached sleeves that expose her bare shoulders, complemented by headphones draped around her neck. Soft daylight backlight illuminates her from behind, creating a low-contrast, bright, airy atmosphere with gentle highlights on her hair and subtle rim lighting around her silhouette. Clean, delicate line work with soft gradients and luminous highlights. Colors are bright yet gentle, skin tone smooth and glossy with expressive eyes. Then click Generate. Look at this, the brooch and the layered cape stay distinct instead of blurring together, and the light is actually casting in the right direction off that hair ornament. That's the kind of detail that's easy for a model to get wrong. Now, you can describe an image, edit this, download, and you can also publish this. Let's try another one, but before that, I want to choose Laura Beautiful Colors V2. And same aspect ratio 3:5. Then I'll paste another prompt. Then click Generate. Look at this, the eye stays incredibly crisp and expressive even with all the soft, dreamy lighting surrounding it. The translucent strands of hair overlap naturally instead of melting into the face, and those delicate flower petals keep their individual shape rather than turning into a blurry mass. The reflections and highlights are layered so carefully that the whole piece feels luminous, almost like light is passing through glass and water at the same time. Same character, new tool PixAI Edit Pro. This is their advanced image editor, and instead of clicking through sliders, you just describe the edit you want in plain language. The thing I really want to stress test here is text. AI image tools have historically been bad at rendering legible text, so let's see how Edit Pro handles it. Now, I'm going to upload my reference image, and Edit Pro accepts up to 4 input images. Once the image is uploaded, I'll describe my prompt the changes I want to make using this image. After entering the prompt, configure the generation settings. I select the Edit Pro model, set the resolution to 2K, Choose the ultra quality option and set the aspect ratio to 5:4. Double check your prompt and settings to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Generate and wait for PixAI to process the image and create the edited result. And here's the result. The labels are clean, not garbled. That's Edit Pro's headline strength. I'm not going to oversell it past what you're actually seeing here. Now I'm pushing it further, a full open world game screenshot mini-map, inventory icons, action bar, skill glow, the whole UI layout, with the character standing inside that world. Last step. Same image, now I'm animating it with PixAI v4.0 Preview, their latest anime image-to-video model. It reads my image as a semantic reference, so it knows who she is, not just what the first frame looked like. I'll give it a gotcha card style camera move using the prompt from the guide. V4.0 can also generate a voice line natively, so I'm adding a short one and seeing how the synced audio holds up. I choose this video, only 5 seconds, then click Generate. And here's the results, and look how amazing is it. She held her identity the entire way through, from a text prompt in step 1, to an edited card in step 2, to a moving clip right here. Same brooch, same eyes, the whole time. The audio is generated natively and synced to her. A lot of image-to-video tools stay silent unless you bolt on audio separately afterward. And to be straight with you about the real limits, V4.0 supports clips up to 15 seconds. This is my actual result, not a cherry-picked best take. So here's how I'd break this down depending on what you're actually trying to do. If you're an OC creator or character designer, steps 1 and 2 alone, Tsubaki.2 plus Edit Pro, already give you a complete character pipeline where your design stays consistent. If you're making short-form content TikTok, Shorts, step 3 is the real payoff. One illustration turned into a voiced animated clip. And if you're a solo creator who hates switching between 5 different apps and tabs, that's honestly the bigger story here. Generate, edit, animate, all inside PixAI, no exporting between tools. You can try the whole PixAI flow for free, links in the description.